I'm doing this live video because of Mama Gladys, a old woman that lives in Italy that married to Moroccan. It's not even white person that he married to Moroccan. But body they cash. I don't know what all those old cargo they do for live video. Somebody that Mama Gladys is supposed to go rest. You go Africa. You go the plan because very soon you go near your ancestor. You go they do it better than go eat. At least you go prepare your love rice you eat for inside before you go. You don't hold now. You don't go far. Somebody like Izengbe. Somebody like what's it be this girl, the Sarah. Now we want the wash but like those people that if they wear kind they will show them. Okay, what if they want maybe they show the word. Maybe we call a dress like in the day like maybe we call a dress like Mama Gladys we don't hold. We are the modern people here. We have to attract our men. We have to make our men back understand where. We don't need to go dress like a day. By the time you dress bad, they'll say you dress bad. By the time you dress good, they'll see talk. What do you want? If person not born, I go mock am. If person born, I go mock am. What do you not dey self? What do you not dey? Una gonna make life the hard people. I don't know. Una when you don't hold, una see come out for social media. Una don't go leave out for the young one. Hey, I give una time now. Say, hey, before I come, una come out. Somebody like Mama Gladys, I don't want to see you there again. And you dey make me the shit. You don't look like African woman because old mama supposed to be sleep. Or you go the bury, dig the grave because very soon you go near your papa and your mama. Because you don't need to dey for live video. Like Mama Gladys, you don't need to be there. All those old cargo, you don't need to watch their live video again. Why don't they watch the modern people? Those is young men and they go make una back on the race. Una will feed the fuck una wife well. Now those Mama Gladys, una go they look at what una they benefit for. They what they tell una, they go they tell una old. Because when person don't hold, they behave like a baby. The adults, the youngest, now they think. The old people they behave like a baby because they don't hold. They'll call they behave like a mama. When I know they watch old people YouTube again. You dey hear me so? My friend, I love you all. Share my video. My baby is coming back. Mama Gladys they tell me say I dey born. If I not born now they go talk. If I born and I never see born finish, I still want 15 children. And I'm single, I never married. If I am married now, if I don't get husband, if I don't marry, I still want to give birth to 15 children. If I have the opportunity, if God give me, I will give God like that. Mama Gladys, go to Africa, go and dig your grave because you are an old woman. We don't need you for live video. People when me want they see now somebody like Izegbe, somebody like Sarah. Those people say when they pack their uku where? When they package their breast when I want to see. I want to learn how to how you tell the way agbada or you tell the way lost and I want learn. For this modern world we come, you want make me turn to a bote or old woman? Go rest, now when you don't hold, go rest, now try don't pass. This is our time, allow us to dress. Allow us to dress very attractive to our man. You local old woman, when we say you don't do a shower for Italy, you see one Moroccan way marry you from there. You go they talk to black people anyhow. You they join Moroccan, they keep black people. You they join white people, they keep black people. Go and walk. And stop doing bad. So me, I wish you go let me wash. Say I not be black people, I will wash them. I wish I would feel change my skin to be white. I will go down because white people, black people don't like themselves. Now then they keep themselves from media. Why? Calamity everywhere. Now only black people they hear their voice. Idiot people, motherfucker. More than nobody me they come out. She gonna mock me with my pikin problem. And me now I get pikin, I get all the mock, but they don't mock me say my pikin die. They mock me say they take my pikin. Mama Gladys when we say marry Moroccan, and when we say they fuck up and down. Based on say you back for your husband, not they work fine. You know feel better. May you know as his trash and rich. Woman, what you they find? I pray you they find from her. Being a man will go take care of you, they find. Mama Gladys say you know they feel stay with your husband because your husband back will not they work. I bet if you need medication, I they do amo. I know very soon of back I will give you. You give your husband because they pity that man. May you not go kill that man. Because Mama Gladys is not good, but you don't want to live quick. You see they for fuck up like that. Old woman when be say they for fuck. You know go leave young girls make them rain. You know go leave somebody like Izegbe make rain. You know go leave somebody like Benjamin. Come and take favor from there. You know go leave person like Sarah make rain. You want go the all those they now one call the show for media. Now those one we want see. This is a modern one. Don't worry, make they call. By the time my pikin come back, now pint I go the wear they do live video. Go die, make that. I go wear pint, I go wear bra. Go and die. If your body fine, make you to do it. Mama, like somebody like this woman. What's it be this woman? The one that they call her name now. Mama Granny, you know, if you wear bra and pint now. You want that? When be say oh, he shaped, oh, he don't lose guys. Oh, he shaped, don't be bara. Leg don't big. It don't come up for fashion. Now people when you see say that they dress well, that they bring their breast come out, that they wear pants, and those one their body fine. You wear but your body not fine. If you wear pants, you dey mad. You dey crazy. When I let you the shame. When I don't dey here they mock. That is why I like Oyibo people for so much time they go see them for beach. They come with their husband or they wear pants and bra. But if na Nigerian people, they go shout. They go dey claim say they know what I wanna be mumu. Or you man go carry your wife when you don't want you to retire for her. You go wear pants, you go wear bra, you go to use her the stroll for streets. But black people now be fool. You don't know anything. But now they claim say you know. You see the way I package my house? See, I package her well. And this one a small one. When time don't reach where say I know they jolly, I know they cry, they will dress that this one that made that. I don't want to share this video, my friend and my loved one. More than share and may go reach Mama Gladys hand. Because I didn't get this video. Those people who don't want to mind their business. Like somebody like what it be German first lady, that one a lie woman. You know they talk truth. That one very liar. Now so you go lie for life, you know they talk truth. German first lady is a liar. Big liar. Those kind of people, when I know they watch their YouTube channel again. When they watch Iziegbe YouTube. Watch Sarah YouTube. Those will motivate you. Even you wear back on the race, but if you see those breasts, your back. What see all those German first lady don't marry? What time they go watch marriage woman for? We will be single lady now go they attract for model. I be the model. Those people with their hold, when they go stay with their husband. German first lady supposed to they cook for your husband, but they can't do live video. Tafad woman. You are a married woman. Go and stay with your husband. We are not married. This is our husband here now. We are talking to the world. You when say you don't marry, you don't go relax for your, you don't go cook food for your husband. If they can't do live, you're gonna use people and you're gonna change matter. You know go talk truth. No worry. God very soon God go come. Una when you know they talk to you, una go fire. Una they feel say people when they wear boy shop, now it be a shower. Somebody like German first lady, if you not see prick one, they not fist it. But una gonna see some person where it be Iziegbe, like Iziegbe when they talk a shower thing now. Una go see I say yakbako it dey small. Like German first lady yakbako na hope. Because I ain't the fuck pass even the single guest. Not be by package you. Now they say they know a shower. Like Iziegbe when they say in a shower, you know be a shower. He's a good woman when people say man go marry, say you know go flirt. Somebody like people when they claim like Reverend Mother and dead, that they go do it kiki. You go not say German first lady they hook up with German first lady they do not be mine they go meet. If they call her for German first lady we need hook up, you go tell them say we I want block you. If they give her a go finish, it's smooth finish, then they knock a bako. Like Mama Gladys, the husband bako not they stand well because I'm Moroccan. You know say sugar don't finish her. When they say they drink shakbalo and all those things from Morocco. Now he go meet black people, they go hammer her. Now you make they don't want to come up for live video because they see boy when they see color online they hammer her. But you when they fuck all those old women and married women, you say a bad man. Somebody like Sarah Dede, you no go beg and beg the hand for marriage. Somebody like Iziegbe Dede, you no go beg the hand in marriage. Even me too, I never marry. I'm still searching. Then you not come beg me. They go follow German first lady when you get husband. If they go follow like this woman when we say Mama Gladys when you dey Italy when you get husband, they go fuck her. Be careful. If not, God self they come for you, go and fire. All those old cargo, mona leave them. Mona know they go there. Any woman when you don't marry, mona know they watch a live video again. Because if you watch a live video now, see it dey your head. Because you dey temper with marriage woman. You have to follow the modern people. The modern people when never marry. Now then they talk truth. They don't go lie. People like us. Thank you everyone. I love you everyone. Share the video. Very soon me too God will do. I go marry. By the time when me don't marry, I don't go do live video again. Because I don't want to disgrace my husband. Not be people when people say they don't marry, they'll call it talk blah 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 for what they can't do. Go and face your husband. Prepare for your husband may hit if you come from work. Wash the house. Stop doing live video. Your husband, you go leave your husband, you go to cook. Your husband go dey cook, you go dey do live video, you dey mad? You don marry, you are a housewife, behave like a housewife. Stop talking about people in YouTube. Go and close your YouTube, block it. Useless blogger, shaggy, waka. I love you all. Carry Abroko, carry this video. Mona talk to Jama first lady. Mona no dey watch the video again. No dey talk to. Where you for Jama come say I don't know. I take be Jama. If Papa na Jama person or if Mama na Jama, I take be Jama first lady. The day when Angela Merkel go here, you go ban, you go pursue, you go Africa. You want to drag the country from her? I bet shut up. But you wanna wait the show big name for social media. Mona shut up on her. I bet end up that call for me. Thank you for the they show yourself. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Share the video. Mona share and make the work cast. Make them know say that modern people do their life. Not be all those old women. They get waiting they want give one. Oh, their breast make serious. Like all those they do it don't breast again. They see who package their bread, they will cry. Not be the breast una need one back go to the race. Like somebody like Jama first lady, what you want give una? Somebody like what it be this woman name Mama Gladys, what you want give una? One are they watch those kind of people. Those one are dirty now. They are married women. Married women when they fuck up and that they do hook up now man that they go find for them. We will be single woman and that one that they tease. Somebody like Esther Izengbe, those are my girls. Izengbe. And what's it be name again? Sarah, my baby. Those are my girls. All those old Bonte. We don't know them. We don't know them. Mercy had this girl again. Because these girls are being packaged again. EVA. That one see they bumps. Mama see they watch that one. All those local people, old Bonte, what's all that they fight from? That Mona go pause them. Make them go stay. Marriage woman need to stay inside. You don't need to they do live video. Mona they disgrace Nigeria people. Now single woman. Now he be live video presenter, not be marriage woman. Mona, anybody wey know that don't marry, Mona not they wash am again because if you wash and they see there your head, you they fuck marriage woman be that. Because if you fuck person, your person they come fuck you. Jama first lady they do hook up, they fuck up and that. They smoke igbo, they do everything. But if you see people, you go talk and go change her. But you go, they hide her. Your husband go they cooking, go they do live video. Instead of it to take care of your husband, they can't talk church. What if you don't know you go they talk? Mama Gladys old woman, you know go Africa, may go prepare for a burial. Very soon I go join your ancestor. But body they cash out for live video, you go see they come out old woman. He marry Morocco. He see the fuck up and down join the man. He don't kill the man prick finish. Now they go fuck up and down. They find like now this live video now marriage woman. You know why marriage people they do live video? Because when they see man when they go knock them back. Now I must tell you the truth. Because marriage women are supposed to stay with their husband. They're not supposed to do live video. Now we young one, are you supposed to they do live video? Somebody like Esther, somebody like Izegbe, somebody like Sarah, somebody like Princess like me. Now we they do live video because we never marry. We are still modern. Now we una go they look. We go they give una all dates and swag. Not be all those who both away you don't hold that they can't talk with it, they don't know. You don't know, so when person don't hold it, go they talk like old woman. Thank you everyone. Man, not come talk finish. Mona, no worry, I'm coming. Me, what are they friends? Say they take my baby from me. Somebody like Mama Gladys, he don't mock me. Somebody like Jama First Lady, don't mock me. Jama First Lady, way they bonbon like Sadi. When I don't see children, make bonbon, you know, they know they reach 1 year before they don't born another one. He said, go see corn, go see the top of it, but that one they pay me. That one go they pay me. You understand? Like this old woman, Mama Gladys, that 5 children get for Igbo, and that 5 children are mixture blood, Moroccan blood, and Igbo blood, and black people blood. You know, so all these women when we born for Igbo that they fuck, that mixture blood that they give Igbo. Not be saying that the Igbo just get the children like that. Based on say that they sleep with the Igbo, now the Igbo pikin go come resemble the Igbo. But now mystery break, they say me they go do blood test, and you go say Mama Gladys one of the pikin or 3 pikin, you know go be your husband who. I bet if not like, so me Mama Gladys go do blood test for hospital tomorrow. Ciao, everyone, I love you all. They don't call me, I mean they come very soon. I go open YouTube, I go do everything. Me too, I go they follow on a hop. I go they follow una because una don't invite you and me there here with una. Me and una, me, somebody like Izegbe, somebody like Sarah, me, princess, now we go pursue una enter house. Una we be hold cargo. We no need una again because una no get fashion. Una no fit bring up wear attractive clothes because una don hold. Una breast make bala. If they try and go up, it go pikin go come pick am for you. Me, I don born many children, but my breast is dey package. Somebody like Mama Gladys, he hold up for it be like slippers. Me baga. When all this Morocco until they press am because you don't do a shower tire for somebody like Izegbe they say na shower. Izegbe never do a shower for Europe one day. Now because of black people man, that make it the girl fed the insult himself before una go call her a shower. Because of when anybody dress, they'll say na a shower. Izegbe never do a shower for Europe before. Even Izegbe, since when Izegbe call Europe, he never do anything that they call a shower. But you just by the talk and say I be a shower. Izegbe say if you see it, it's small. Somebody like me also. If you see this girl that they show in nakedness, so Sarah never do a shower for Europe one day. Somebody like Mama Gladys a shower for Europe, but they don't do a shower. You know, say I hope people wey don't refer company. People like Mama Gladys, my German first lady, now they don't do a shower tire. People like Izegbe, they never do a shower. People like princess, they like me, now maybe princess, I never do a shower. People like this girl, and they always forget it. Sarah, he never do a shower. Based on say the girl they dress attractive, you know say Nigeria people na mumu. If by the time you dress attract for your boyfriend, they go say you be a shower. Now make those girls use that word say I be a shower. Like Izegbe, they go say I be a shower. Izegbe no be a shower. Izegbe na housewife, good housewife. If any man see that kind of get married, say need to say thank God. Because you know they flirt. If you marry somebody like Izegbe, you no go find another man again. He go deal with you. But somebody like Mama Catherine, Mama this one, all those one, I be a shower. Those hook up way that they do so now that they go fuck those boys. They know they give them any girl. Now me they tell you, me I be lady of truth, and I'm coming out to bring the Agnash come out. But me my pikin fair come out first. Because I go fight for my pikin, I go take her for. By the time I take my pikin, I will start do live video. I go open the Agnash. The fourth gesture, even the men when they control them sometimes say that they call me online now, say they don't fuck so there now. I didn't know I go bring the Agnash come out, their picture if you don't want I go bring and come out. All those married women where they do live video, that they fuck that they find boys for More than all they watch their live video again, they watch only Izegbe video. They watch only Sarah video and princess. That is me for you. Watch my video, not they watch all those local people bounty. When you don't hold old cargo. When you know they give una anything, you know they tell una wetin dey happen for Europe, you know they tell una wetin dey happen, they go dey cover truth, they go dey cover truth, they kill Morocco, because Moroccan when they marry, they go dey kill their black people, because of Oyibo when they marry, they go dey kill their black. I love you all. Thank you everyone. Share this video, help me to share this video, may it reach all my friends, may it reach Sarah hand and Izegbe. Yeah, may reach more those my friends, my clients, you know, we know they carry last. Not be people like Mama Gladys when you don't hold. You see us, we they know us, yeah. Now la do me. Oh, they say la do me. Hey, you say do me, see last song. Hey, they want that. You they see body. We now my body they show. Somebody like Mama Gladys, if you wear trousers, you go to see it laugh. You go make la bala. Because you don't do a shower tire. May go rest. They go rest. Idiot. If